Hello and welcome to NETSCAN at HealthScan. At HealthScan we've developed technology that allows you for the first time ever to have a food intolerance test in the comfort of your own home. You don't have to leave your home to come to the clinic. Wherever you happen to be in the world, we can actually treat you. This is advanced technology and it's taken many years to develop, but it's very, very clever indeed. Basically it works on the same principle as when people come to the clinic. We sit them in a chair, we put a probe on their finger, and we send signals backwards and forwards to the brain, and we can identify which signals suit the brain from each individual item, whether it's an apple, a banana, a tomato, or whatever else it happens to be. But as I say, we've now developed technology that allows you for the very first time to record your own signal that runs through your body, your unique electrical signal, and to send that signal to us using the internet. So we can then test that against the foods, as I say, as if you were in the clinic. We can then run it through our NETSCAN computer, and we can run a test to see what signals suit your brain from each and every food. I'll explain how that works in more detail in a second. But after you've watched this video, if you wish to proceed, then just click the box here to my left, and that will take you through to the health information form. If you fill that form in and give us as much detail as you can on your current health condition, then go to the bottom of the form, click Next, and that will take you to PayPal. Make the payment there, and at that stage we'll have received your health information form with all the details on it, including your name and address. Make sure that's very clear indeed. We'll then send to you, wherever you happen to be in the world, a NETSCAN kit, which basically is what you see here. We have a CD for you to load into your computer, NETSCAN CD, and a probe. The other end of the probe goes into your microphone socket on your computer, and once the program is running, you have all the instructions here written on the outside of the case, but I'm going to take you through it step by step so that you understand everything. And of course we're always here to help you if you have any problems, but it's very basic and very straightforward. The probe itself will go onto your finger here just below the knuckle. That will give us connection to your nervous system, and in that way we can record your unique electrical signal, the signal that runs through your brain. So once you get your NETSCAN kit, just take out the CD and pop it into your computer. This little box will appear on the screen within about 20 seconds or so, and plug the probe into the microphone socket, and you're ready to go. Basically this will leave nothing on the computer, so if it is somebody else's computer, don't worry, you're leaving no information behind. You're just using their computer to run the program. Okay, if you pop a little bit of water onto your skin just below the knuckle on either hand, give it a nice little soaking with cold water, and you're ready to go. Just bring up your arrow, pop it on the red dot and click. Then put the probe on your finger just below the knuckle on either hand, it doesn't matter which, just below the knuckle, middle finger, and keep the pressure, gentle pressure on there, so that we're making good contact with your nervous system. And here you can see we're picking up the signal that runs through your brain and the rest of your body, the signal that keeps everything working. This is a unique signal. There is nobody else on the planet with your brain or this signal, and you'll be able to send this to us shortly as an email attachment, and I'll be able to check it to see how it reacts to the signals that come from all the other items that go into your body, which of course are mostly foods, but we'll be looking at many other things, as you know. And once you stop giving your brain a problem with these signals, then it'll start working properly, and health problems just disappear. Within weeks they disappear. You need no medication of any kind. I've proved it nearly 12,000 times now. This will run for a minute and it'll stop automatically. Keep the pressure gently on your finger. There we are. Now if you'd like to do it again for some reason, you're not happy with it, well, just go back here, double click that, just click it once on the double arrow, and then just back onto the red dot again, and the probe goes back on your finger. There you go. Nice and gently let it run on. As I say, this is unique. This signal comes from your brain, it runs your body, and there is no human being on this planet that can give you this information. So talking to humans, as you've found out already up to now, is almost a complete waste of time. You need to know what's going on in that computer in your head, and this is the only way you can do it. And as I say, when you send us this signal, and I'll be explaining that to you in a moment, how to do that, we can then test it. and send you back the results. You don't need to come to the clinic anymore. This is the future of medicine. This really is incredible technology. There we are, nice signal there, nice and gentle, just let it run on for the minute. That's fine, that's all you need to do. So if you go up to test, click on test and come down and click on save. Then you see this little box open up, just pop up here to file name, put your name in here. I'm going to put Bill Smith for now. But put your name in and press on save. And so it takes you back to this little box, and then you can just delete that top right hand corner, little cross, and press on that. And then if you go and click on my documents folder, it will take you to your NETSCAN file. When you get into my documents, pick up your file for Bill Smith, obviously your name, and double click it. It will take you to this page, your bars and waves. This is your unique electrical signal, the signal that runs through your brain, through your nervous system, the signal that keeps you alive and keeps things working. You'll be able to send this to us by email. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. And if you don't happen to see this, these bars when you do come into this page, just bring your arrow here, right click it, and go down to bars and waves. Click on that and you'll see them there. Okay. So once you've finished looking at these, just pop up to the top right hand corner and close the page down, and I'll show you how to send it as an email.